Hi, this is the CUBOT King Kong 7 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search bar enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So after that you'll see information about your battery temperature, and in my case that's at 28.9 and 3 degrees. And also you got here more info like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.